the sentry from TF2. No, it's not. Doesn't look like it.
Oh,
It's almost
Well,
Oh, balloons!
oh no, the balloons! The balloons!
Balloons!
Oh no.
Insert
Also,
that
what the
one
hell
to
is my church still here? Oh, my...
Is that floor, please?
Oh, I got more. Let's go! Yay! No!
That's all the
Alright, guys, hands. Yeah! Whoa, let's go! Dance grenade! Come on, dance, dance! What the? Doesn't work. Ugh. What the? It's useless! Make it dance! Aww.
Bro, everything you get is useless. For some reason.
Oh, the gun is.
What next? What next?
Get a sword.
True, how about this?
Decapitate my son's head.
Oh, not that. This one. Yay! Yay! Hey, let me ride it. Let me ride it.
I don't think you can
Great,
ride
we
it.
just got a mount that doesn't even work.
It can't float.
Now there's a random Nessie here. I'm gonna, guys, I'm gonna just reset the server. Hold on.
reset the